I made a cake for my niece as a gift for her birthday. Her dad told me that she really loved Blackpink. It's supposed to be a surprise, but my niece saw the cake already as we arrived. But it's still okay. We saw the look in her face, and she was very happy. She's so excited and can't wait to blow her candle. Happy birthday, Yanyan! Her brother got jealous because he didn't have a cake on his birthday last month. So I made another one using my excess cake sponge. It's so simple, but I'm glad he appreciates it. Belated happy birthday, Kuya McCoy. Tita loves both of you.
Thank you po, Tita, sa biyayang pinagkalob niyo sa amin. Namin, hindi na matutuloy ang birthday ni Yan. Kasi nga, wala kaming yung budget. Pero ito ngayon, Panginoon, bigyan niyo kami ng konting pagsasalo-salo. At gabayan niyo po ang aming mga anak. Bigyan niyo siya kalakasan. At maging maayos po ang kanilang buhay. Thank you po, Tita. In His name, Amen. Happy birthday to you.
Sabi ko sa yan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Blow na, blow.
Yay! Kain na. Thank you po.
Thank you po.